The Guardian. The Guardian. IMF calls for countries to economise on energy supplies and hails UK's budget deficit improvement, as it happened. America's loosening grip, inside the April 17th Guardian Weekly. April 15th. April 15th. Here are the top global headlines tonight, explained simply and clearly. Globe with Meridian's global economy and Iran conflict. The IMF warns of rising inflation and energy shortages due to ongoing tensions linked to Iran. Countries are being urged to save energy and avoid heavy subsidies. Global debt could hit 100% of GDP by 2029, raising economic concerns. The Guardian. Backhand index pointing right. In short, war tensions are affecting fuel prices, food costs, and economies worldwide. United States-US influence and global politics. Reports suggest the United States' global influence is weakening after failed diplomacy and tensions with Iran. Strained relations with allies like the UK are becoming more visible. The Guardian. Backhand index pointing right. Big picture, shifting power dynamics could reshape global politics. Milky Way rare planetary event. A rare four-planet alignment, Mercury, Mars, Saturn, Neptune, is visible this week. Best viewing, April 18th to 20th before sunrise. The Times of India. Backhand index pointing right. Not political, but a major global science highlight. Shooting star solar storm and northern lights. A geomagnetic storm may make the northern lights visible in unusual locations. Peak viewing expected overnight, April 17th to 18th. People.com. Backhand index pointing right. Rare natural phenomenon caused by solar activity. High voltage. What this means globally. Globe showing Europe-Africa rising costs, fuel, food, transport. Globe showing Europe-Africa political instability around Iran. Globe showing Europe-Africa economic uncertainty ahead. Globe showing Europe-Africa rare space events lighting up the sky.